I can't believe what you can do with leftover pizza dough. Follow me, follow me. I'm here to teach you all the secrets. Up, down. So we need to cook this pizza at a lower flame, very low. And take a look, guys. It's fantastic, full. Come to the best pizza channel. Hello guys, from Maestro Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for dedicating your time to watch my videos. If you are a pizza lover, go ahead, subscribe right now. Today, very simple and very quick. I'm going to show you how to make the pinsa with S, with leftover pizza dough. Yes, the leftover. I'm gonna explain to you right now, really quick, what I mean with leftover. With the leftover pizza dough. Basically, 2 days ago, I made the pizzas and I had some pizza dough left. What I did, I had 2 dough balls left. So what I did, I reballed it and I put it inside this cup. I left it inside the fridge for 2 days, but also 1 day is fine. And today I'm ready to make a pizza, but the A with the big A pizza. This is the dough, how it looks like after 2 days in the fridge, the leftover pizza dough. After 2 days, I mean, take a look, it's full of air, it's light, and with this I'm going to show you how to make really the A pizza, but a different one. I got some ingredients here because you'll be surprised. So let's get into and let me show you what you need. This pizza, it's very typical because it's very special because it's nice, fluffy, crunchy and soft in the same time. So here what I like to do is right away to use some cereal. It's a mix of cereal flour, mixed with semolina, or also you can mix it up, the semolina with the rice flour to make this pizza. It's very important how to stretch the flour that you use to stretch this pizza. Also guys, you can use the breadcrumbs to stretch this pizza. Yes, breadcrumbs is good to stretch the pizzas. Let's go ahead and let me show you. Mix it up. To make this pizza, it's very important how you stretch. So let's go ahead, let's dump the flour just like this. Make like a base, a huge base here of flour. Actually save a little bit because we're gonna need it to put it on top. Almost forgot. Voila. And now let's dump the dough without touching it on top of the flour. Just one shot. And take a look, guys. It's fantastic, full of air. It's outstanding how the dough was inside the fridge. So gently go ahead and just fill it up of flour all over the place. You want to keep the air inside the dough. Now flip it over and then watch this. You have to press with your finger, just press, no stretch. Press from the sides first. Just like I'm doing, follow me, follow my step. Just one time. Voila. You want to keep the air in the crust. So now guys, watch this. One end, take the dough and put it on top. With one end, take off all the flour. And then try to take off the flour just like that. Follow me, follow me. I'm here to teach you all the secret. Now, face up, and then the bottom needs to go on the bottom. Now one more time, just lightly on the crust, and then stretch as a oval shape. Sorry. The nice thing of this pizza is that you can make a different type of pizza in one pizza. So in this case, we're gonna make a F vegetarian and F, I'm going to surprise you. So like this, put a little bit of tomato, a little bit extra tomato. Voila. Oh my God, I'm getting hungry already. I do everything with love. Everything with love just for you. I want you to make the best pizza at home. So now with this one, little bit of olive oil everywhere here. Voila. Lightly with your finger. Go ahead. Little bit of parmesan on the margherita. Voila. What I suggest to make just a couple of holes, otherwise it's gonna be too much puffy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the red one, just a couple, not too much. Voila. Now we're gonna go ahead and pre-cook this dough. Of course, it needs to go at low temperature. So now, get the peel and then pinch it, and then with the peel go under. Now, again, make the oval shape. This is about 2 dough balls. So it's like 550 grams of pizza dough. So now let's go ahead and let's pre-cook the dough. Voila! Boom, guys! So basically here we are cooking the pizza for a few minutes. You don't need to rush on this pizza. You have to give it time. We are cooking with wood and a little bit of gas. But at this point I'm gonna lower down the flame. See? Up, down. So we need to cook this pizza at the lower flame, very low. We want the pizza crunchy. Now guys, turn it and cook the other side. We have to pre-cook the dough halfway, not all the way. See, it's pumpy? Just lightly, just go ahead and close it and pop the big ball. The big ball of hair. So now almost ready. Okay. Okay guys, the pizza after a few minutes, it's about to be ready. About to be ready, voila. So again, not cook all the way. This is how it's supposed to be look like. Halfway cooked. Okay guys, it's time. Like you can see, the pizza looks amazing, lovely. Now we can go ahead and finish up this pizza. So this part, I'm gonna go ahead and make a vegetarian pizza for a special person. So let's go ahead and let's finish this with a little bit of mozzarella. And you can put fresh mozzarella on this, don't worry about. We're gonna go extra. It's full of air inside. It's unbelievable what you can do with the leftover pizza dough. If you like this video right now, please go ahead, smash the like, comment, share with friends. Help me to reach this 1 million of subscribers. We are halfway. This pizza I'm gonna make it with eggplant. Then I'm gonna put a nice, lovely zucchini. Then we're gonna put some portobello mushroom on top. There we go. And guys, you can put whatever you like on the pizza. Now, put a little bit of pecorino romano on top. Or also the grana cheese is fine. There we go. Then, to finish, thank you so much, some breadcrumbs on top. Little everywhere. There we go. Voila. Now olive oil. There we go. Fantastic. This part here we're gonna keep it white because I'm gonna go ahead and finish this pizza at the exit. I'm gonna put the extra because I have a lot of cheese. Now pay attention what I do. I go ahead and turn it off the flame in the oven. I just completely turn it off, and now let's go ahead and let's finish to cook this pizza. Voila, at the lowest temperature. I'm gonna keep it far from the flame. Voila, and we're gonna cook until the mozzarella is all melted. Oh my God, guys, oh my God. I mean, I watched this pizza and I can tell you, I can't believe what you can do with leftover pizza dough. I mean, and to be honest, this video just come out like this. So watch this, watch. Please, after this, you have to subscribe. I mean, boom, voila, take a look of this beast of pizza. I mean, let me give you a close look. Come here. It's crunchy and soft in the same time. I don't want to touch it. So let's finish up this pizza. What I like to do here is I put bresaola. This is a fine meat that bresaola. It's an amazing meat. It's really good, and it's really good to put it on the pizza. I mean, just outstanding. I like to put extra. Voila. Oh my God. And now this is the secret touch. A lemon. Lightly go ahead on top. Not too much, because you just want to have like a little smell of the lemon. And guys, boom, 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 baby. Little bit of olive oil, and like a magic, we have the best pizza from the leftover pizza dough. Just outstanding, just outstanding. Friends, is the moment of the truth. Take a look, let's cut this beast out. I mean, it's crunchy and soft in the same time. Very easy. Please tell me in the comment what your thoughts are on this pizza. I have a special guest today that is gonna taste it with me. Special guest, never been on my video, so after this I want to see how many likes we can get on this video. How many likes we can get on this video with this special guest that is coming. It's a she. She's going to eat the vegetarian because I personally don't like veggies. And she's gonna say the honest opinion on this pizza. Guys, take a look how it holds. Outstanding slice of pizza. Let me show you closely. Did you see? Soft, crunchy. Take a look at the bottom. It's outstanding. Voila, guys, the moment came, and the special guest, voila, my wife. Are you ready to taste? Yes. Finally, they see you. So, guys, make sure you smash the like. Let's see, we can reach these 5,000 likes right now because she's on the video. So, taste that. Look at it. Hello? Look how light it is. Chin chin.
So it's not very light.
And you got the veggie one.
I know.
So you even cut it. Taste this one. So look, eggplant.
No, I like this piece.
What? Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
You're gonna see the live reaction. Mm. Mm. Taste, get the flavor into the brain.
It's really good, very flavorful.
1 to 10.
You know.
1 to 10.
You know, 10, of course.
10! We got it, guys. If you have any comment below. Just leave a comment, subscribe, share. It's totally free. I'll see you in the next one, and let's make sure this video gets to 5,000 likes. Ciao.